Hi my friends, welcome to this video on unethical AI. The reason why this video is not titled as ethical AI because 100% ethical AI does not exist yet. So in this video I will demonstrate on how an unethical AI looks like so that you have an idea on what not to do. I will demonstrate it using examples and visuals, and there is no theoretical PowerPoint, neither there is any complicated programming screens. You can also experience some of the techniques which I will demonstrate in this video on the channel's website experienceddatascience.com. With this website, anyone can experience data science. You do not need coding skills and you can work with your data. So friends, let's get started, but do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like and comment on the video. The business context is related to credit loan process in banking. Let us assume that a bank has built an AI which will look into the loan application and decide whether to approve or reject it. The loan application data has information such as the income of the person, the gender, the profession, number of children, and whether the person owns assets such as house or a car. The data on which the AI has been trained also has got historical information on the previous decisions made on whether the loan was accepted or not. Let us now see how an unethical AI looks like. Let us assume that the AI has been trained on a decision tree algorithm which is shown on the screen. Each node in the decision tree represents the data columns and a threshold value. The output of the decision tree is yes or no, indicating if the credit loan was accepted or was rejected. When you see nodes such as gender female or gender male, this is already giving an indication that the AI model is differentiating between male and female in order to decide whether to give loan or not to give. This is a possible sign that the AI is unethical. So let us now confirm if this AI is ethical or not ethical by predicting some loan applications. Let us take two applications. The first application is from a female and who is nurse by profession. And the second application is from a male and who is sales manager by profession. The salary levels are more or less equal, with the female having a slightly higher salary than the male applicant. Both the applicants own a house and a car. So let us now predict for the female applicant. The decision path taken by AI is shown in green and is deciding on not to approve the credit loan. And you can see that one of the decision nodes in the path is that the gender is female. So let us now predict for the male sales manager. Surprise, surprise, the AI decision is to approve and give a big yes. Even though both applicants have similar income levels and own similar assets, the female applicant got rejected and the male applicant got approved. This, my friends, is a clear sign that this is an unethical AI. Let us now deep dive to understand why AI took this decision using SHAP analysis, which is shown on the screen. The SHAP analysis also stands for Shapley Additive Explanations, helps to understand and explain the AI model. You see the SHAP visualization for the female applicant. The blue bar indicates the factors which contribute positively towards the credit approval, and the red bar indicates the factors which are contributing negatively towards the credit approval. The income and owning a house are contributing positively, but being a female has a negative impact. Now let us see the SHAP analysis for the male applicant. We see that the income and housing are contributing positively, but being a male is also contributing positively. So clearly being a female is not helping our female applicant. Now let us see why is this happening. You see a bar plot of the data on which the AI was trained. The x-axis is the gender and y-axis is the number of credit loan approval in the training data for AI. The number of male applicants which were approved in the training data are almost about 3 times more than the female applicants. This is called bias and which is leading to this unethical AI. So what could be the solution? We can try to remove the column gender itself from the data. And let us see if this helps. So here is the AI model without the gender. All the nodes do not include any decision on gender. Let us see if this model is ethical or not. We can try to predict for the female applicant and we still see that the decision is no. We can try to predict for the male applicant and the decision is yes. So nothing has changed even when we remove the gender. So why is this happening? Let us try to understand using the SHAP analysis for the female applicant, which is shown on the screen. We see that the factors that the applicant is a nurse and not a sales manager or an IT manager are contributing negatively. So now let us once again do an analysis on the historical data on which the AI was trained using the heat map which is shown on the screen. The x-axis of the heat map is the gender and the y-axis is the profession. A darker color in the cell indicates high number of occurrences. We see that the data on which the AI has been trained has got more females who are nurses and more males who are sales managers. So even if we remove the field gender, the profession is acting as a substitute for gender. Thus both models with or without gender are leading to the same unethical results. So my friends, you saw how an unethical AI looks like. The solution for this lies in having an equal representation of both the genders in the data which is used to train the AI. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe, like and comment on the video.